If you're looking for a way to get started on better goal setting, then you've come to the right place. Through a series of videos, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system to get meaningful and achievable goals set in place so that you can live up to your potential. So let's start. First, you want to make sure you have a clear understanding of why you're setting goals. Think about what it is that you'd like to achieve and why doing so is important to you. This will give you the motivation and inspiration you need to stay dedicated to your goals and to take action when it matters most. Stay tuned for the series of videos. Next, develop your goals. Make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. It also helps to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks so that you don't become overwhelmed by the larger goal. Once you've developed your goals, create an action plan. This plan should outline the steps needed to make progress towards your goal. Think about what activities and tasks need to be completed, what resources are necessary, and who can support or help you along the way. Now, it's time for implementation. Put yourself in a space and mindset where you can take action and take those first baby steps towards reaching your goal. Remind yourself regularly why you're doing what you're doing so that you stay inspired and motivated on your journey. Finally, track your progress along the way. Celebrate each milestone you hit and take note of any lessons learned when things don't go as planned. Seeing all that you've accomplished and reflecting on what didn't work can help you keep on track as you continue striving towards your goal. End of the day, goal setting isn't easy, but with the right tools and system, it can be more achievable and successful. So taking this step-by-step approach will help you feel prepared and focused. So trust the process, stay dedicated in completing each step as you strive towards achieving your goal.